This video tutorial I will explain spliterator method of arrays class which accept any type of array. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the string array. Then I am calling spliterator method of arrays class and passing string array. This method returns spliterator for these array elements. Then I am calling try split method of spliterator 1. This method returns split iterator that covers some portion of the elements. Then I am displaying split iterator 1 content. Then I am displaying split iterator 2 content. Here you can see the output. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.